So congratulations to the winning report. Now this report covers retail store analysis, and based on the juries and community feedback, these are some of the things that they love the most about this report. So first is the navigational experience. So what we can see on this report is that we have 5 pages. We have overview, products, stores, what if analysis, and promotion, and we also have these sub pages. And what's great about this experience is that it's easy for a user to understand where is he located, because you always get a highlight for the main page that you are, and even if you switch between these sub-pages, you can easily see that your 4 main KPIs are right here. The only thing that does change are the visuals and the metrics being used within them. Now the next thing that was highly valued is the what if analysis page. And the main things that everyone loved here is the fact that there are multiple variables that you can play around with to see different results and different impacts on it. And the other thing is that for sales manager, not only you can see the new results and the actual changes, but you can also choose a product line and also a certain product to filter out more specific results to focus on. After that, we also like the promotions page. The reason why we love this page so much is because it gives you a quick oversight and helps you understand the actual impact of the promotion. Because, for example, what I can do here is choose a particular region to focus on, then I can choose a specific promotion, and this now showcases me the before promotion results, actual promotion results, and after promotion results. So this just allows me to understand what was the effect of the promotion itself. And for me personally, one thing that I really loved about this report is on this page right here. So what I really loved here is the fact that I can choose, for example, audio, I can choose a particular product group, I can choose my channel for it, and afterwards when I change the metrics for it, I can choose now top selling by amount, and the only thing that changes is the table itself. The visuals don't change, so this helps the user to keep the filters persistent, so he doesn't have to reapply them every time he changes the subpage. So it's just one of those things when you pay attention to those small details to make the user experience as easy and intuitive as possible. As far as the improvements go, just make sure you pay attention to your filters, so there are no cases where, for example, you don't have data for certain filters. And also make sure you provide unified experience for visuals that have similar data within them. So again, congratulations to the winner.